Hello guys, Game Changers back again. In today's video I'm showing you a new Pokemon Quest mod that don't require any jailbreaks or computers. If you enjoy, don't forget to comment, subscribe and like below, and let's get into this. So guys, I'm back, and first things first, you want to go on Safari and go to panhelper.vip, or if you want to support me, go to the Royal Earls link that will also take you to this, but it'll also basically donate money to me to help me out because I'm jobless. You want to install, sorry guys, I got a bit of a cold, and you want to go to the trust, it's this one right here, trust the app, you'll go off here, go onto the app, it will pop up saying downloaded resources, but I've sped a lot of this process up because some of it's pointless, it's just things that got to be done. Like this part is downloading, but I sped up just so we can go through it a bit faster. As soon as it's done, one of my tweaks split screen, open up accident. Go through all this, you want to search Pokemon in the top part because it don't show up below. The other hack that you saw in the screen just a second ago is a VIP version hack I'll show off very soon. But you want to go to the Quest mod and you want to install. Now we'll go into the downloading tab before it actually downloads onto your device. All these tweets from K-Panic. Go check out his channel guys, by the way. Yeah, so as you can see it's downloading. And then once it's done, I'll go into the downloaded part of the app. So you just want to wait for this. And that, now that's done, you go to downloaded. And it should be there. Press on install. Might pop up saying it's not ready, but eventually it'll pop up with a prompt to install it. As soon as that happens, you want to press install. Takes time. There it is. Press install, and then it's going to install like any other third-party application. And now it's installed, so we're just gonna make sure I'm still recording. We're gonna tap on it now. I'm gonna fast forward it to the actual game. This is where it shows what to do. You want to tap on the little bird on the side, go to unit, search up however many coins you got. You might not find it, so what you want to do is go and buy something. As you can see, buy this, it opens up, go on there again, search 100, still not right, you want to do it again, now it's at 50, search 50, and it's only this code that you should change to 999 if you want all the things, the very top one there. Exit that out, change it to 99999, press search, and there it is guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, subscribe and like, and peace.